Hi, this is Hera from GEODNET. What if your rooftop could earn extra income while powering the future of robotics, drones, and autonomous technology? GEODNET is expanding its global high-precision positioning network of more than 21,500 base stations. And we are now looking for base station hosts in Japan and Korea.
It's easy to join, and we will help you every step of the way. How the program works. Apply online. Fill out our host form with your location and contact info at geonet.com/Japan and geonet.com/Korea. Eligibility check. We're looking for local hosts in Japan and Korea such as universities and research institutes, companies using GNSS or RTK, building or property owners with rooftop access. We will confirm if your location is a good fit after receiving your submissions. Receive your station. If your location qualifies, we will send you a GEODNET base station at no upfront cost. Install and connect. Install the base station in an open sky location. Connect power and internet, and it runs automatically. If you need assistance during the setup process, let us know anytime. Start contributing. Your station begins sending RTK correction data to the network. Earn benefits. You can get either free unlimited access to centimeter-level RTK corrections, ideal for surveying, mapping, robotics, and precision applications, or daily Geo token rewards. Also, ownership in a global community powering real-world autonomy. Japan and Korea are key regions for robotics and automation, and we want you to be part of this infrastructure future. Join the mission, host a station, create the coverage you need, and be part of the future of precision. Apply now at geonet.com/Japan and geonet.com/Korea.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
GEODNET. Mind the sky.